Hello, my beautiful souls, and welcome to Healing with Hila. This is your space for aligning, expanding, and reconnecting with who you truly are. I'm your host, Hila Kedem Ferguson. I'm a transpersonal hypnotherapist, manifestation coach, and sound creator. Thank you so much for inviting me into your life. Hello, my beautiful souls. Today, I really wanted to share with you a guided journey that we did, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. This is from the live class that I run monthly in Mesa, Arizona. And I just thought it was so wonderful. I really wanted you guys to have a chance to relax and tune in and just take some time for yourselves. So, again, I highly recommend that you do this when you have some time. Please don't listen while driving. We are going to go on a really amazing journey that's all about releasing, letting go, and then setting intentions and calling in more of what we need. The background music is my soundtrack, River Flow. I really love that as a back for meditation and hypno. And you are welcome to stream that track whenever you need to. And it's really nice too because it anchors the journey for yourself. So after doing the meditation, if you choose to just listen to the music, you'll find yourself able to tune in to some of the insights you might have received. It's set to 4.44 hertz, which is theta, which brings you into that perfect meditative space, and for 3.2 hertz, which is just known to create some harmony and support. And I really hope you enjoy it. Here it is. Let's start with a nice deep breath. And really allow that breath to be expansive. So fill up, stretch that lung space, open that diaphragm, and exhale, letting go, contracting everything, releasing. And another nice, deep, slow inhale. Allowing yourself to hold that breath for just a few moments. And then when you're feeling ready, release and let it go. And just follow into the rhythm of your body and your breath. Anchoring deeply the intention of calling in and receiving what nourishes you and supports you. And letting go, just releasing the pieces that have done nourishing, the air that no longer needed, out and away from your body. And allow that intention to really expand. Expand and move into everything that we're going to be doing today. Just having that wisdom to tune into those pieces that you need, that serve you, and letting go, releasing everything that you've been carrying that has done its job, that is complete, that is ready to be let go of. And it just feels good to tune into that intention. and to let it expand. And for your breath, to keep reminding you of that. You already know how to do this. You do it every day, all day, without the awareness of it. But you do this. You do not hold on to air that has done serving. You do not hold on to breath that has already been completed. And just like your body knows how to do that, let your mind join. Let your emotional self join. Learning how to flow and navigate through that. We are going to be journeying within waters, and so those energies of flow are going to be part of that journey. That reminder that you are more than just the law of gravity. That there's a deep flow within you. And the water within you, remember how to do that. And that is mostly who you are. And so again, your mind, your emotional system, your energy, your soul self can reconnect with that knowing. Allowing your breath to begin to carry you outside the limits of time and space. Releasing fully from where you are in your physical. And opening your mind and your imagination to a really incredible and amazing waterfall. One that's cascading down a tall mountain. One that has a lot of power and energy. The rush of the water is strong and you can hear it. It almost drowns any other sound. But there's something really meditative and amazing hearing that sound, that power as the water hit water. And the mist that's being created as the water connects to the water is all around you. It's bouncing off your skin and it's part of the air that you breathe. It's charged with that force of the waterfall. There's a beautiful open pond that it flows into. And so there's very easy access for you to reach the water when you're ready. I want you to allow yourself to walk into the water. And again, being reminded of the law of flow within you. Just become aware of how the water can receive so much incoming water, yet maintain the most perfect balance. It doesn't overflow into the forest, into the woods. It doesn't just go over. There's a flow, a deep, beautiful balance that happens as it's receiving, but also sending. And again, I want you to open up to the knowing that you have the ability to do the same. When the water rushes into your life, you do not need to contain and hold it until you overflow in a space that doesn't feel good. You have the ability to shift and change your inner tide so you can maintain this space of balance and connection and flow. The temperature is absolutely perfect. It's exactly the way that you love it. The sun is warming and the water is cooling, and it's just this beautiful and perfect balance. And you can feel how alive the water is around you. There's a life force that is pulsing inside the water. It feels so good to connect to that. It is really recharging. It's so wonderful. No matter how strong the flow of the water is, you'll be able to move through it, under it, and connect to it. And so allow yourself to continue down and deep into your pond as you swim or walk towards your waterfall. The closer you're getting, the louder it's getting. And again, that noise, that sound drowns everything else. And it's so relaxing and calming. It's a meditative sound. It's a space that takes you deeper and deeper. And you're finding that the deeper you go, the more you let go, the better it feels. And the better it feels, the more you let go and the deeper you go. Allowing yourself to reach the water as it's falling and just receive whatever it is your body needs. It's softening your cells, it's moving within you, it has the ability to balance your organs, your body. And you're gonna find that you are able to move behind that wall of water, between the walls of that mountain and the powerful waterfall in front of you. And here you're noticing the noise is also a little different. It's shifted, it's changed. Find a comfortable spot in that in-between space, as we're just going to take some time to move through our body and to really scan and release and let go of any tension or pressure you've been holding on to that is no longer yours, that is no longer serving, that is not for you to carry around. Tuning in to the bottom of your feet, tuning in to your toes. Physically, energetically, whatever it is that they hold. Your ability to move forward with ease in your life, any physical tension they might carry, any inflammation they might hold, the joints, the cells, the muscles. You can place them under the falling waters if that feels good, and just receive this massage and releasing from the water itself. And at the same time, with your intention, release what no longer serves. Let that go. Anything that you carried that is done doing its job, just like your breath. Let the waterfall clear from you, remove from you. You are a vibrational being first. Clearing with your intention works, and it will echo into your physical reality on all levels. It is law. And so allow your intention to be there, to release, to let go on all levels. Mind, body, emotions, energy. Moving up your body, your calves, your shins, that lower part of your legs. Again, doing the same. Tension, inflammation, anything that's being held on to your cells in your body that is no longer needed, that has served its lesson and taught you its purpose, can be released right now. And any energy around the process of moving and growing and being flexible and allowing is releasing from you once it's done its job. And it feels so good to just let go and to let that powerful waterfall support you in this process, really help you. Moving up and into your knees. Doing the same. Anything that's been standing in your way of being flexible, anything you're holding that has just been building pressure within you and tension in your body and in your mind is being cleared from you. And again, it feels so good to allow that power of the waterfall help you release, and that space in between help you let go. Moving up your body, your thighs, the rest of your legs. Doing the same. And you're noticing already the transformation that happened around the places of your body you've already worked with. Everything feels so different. Lighter, more balanced, more connected to who you really are. And in a very receiving and receptive space as you continue to work on those areas that are ready to release. Vibration will and is creating your physical reality. And so allow it. Surrender to this. Whether you're choosing to use the waterfall directly on your body or just the energy of it, it works. If it feels good to just sit comfortably behind that wall of water, do that. If you want to move those parts of your body to feel the water as it flows down, do that. Moving up in your torso, moving into your pelvic area, just allowing that area of your hips and glutes. Allow that base of your spine to connect to that same energy of releasing. And the energy that is connected to your survival, the energy that is connected to the abundance that comes into your life, to feeling supported and grounded. Any energy that area for you represents. Your creative space. You as a creator. All of that. And use your intention as well as anything that the body might hold, any tension in that pelvic area, to just remove and release from you. As it's done serving, you learned your lesson, you understood the assignment. There is no need to hold on to it any longer. Your contract with pain can end. You get to decide how long you carry it forward. And in this moment, you can recognize that this contract is completed. There is no need anymore for more suffering. If there is more to learn, you will be there. You can be open to that. And you can learn through joy. It does not need to be through suffering. You can change the terms of that contract. You get to be the creator of your reality in this very moment and decide how you want to move forward. Allow yourself to continue to move up your body into the center of your being, up your torso and your spine. And do the same there. Scanning the physical. Anything that's sitting in those organs and the digestion, any excess weight, anything that is done serving, that has served its purpose, you learned a lesson, you can let go in this present moment. And a reminder again of that breath that is not being held in your body, that it just releases once it's done, fueling the oxygen that your cells need. Your body knows how to do this. You know how to do this. It's just sometimes we need a reminder. We need to change the terms of the contract. You get to be the creator in this very moment. And the reconnection to your power, to who you really are, and the full potential that you have in this life and in this world and in this body.
You've only tapped into a small percentage of it. There is so much more coming for you. The impact that you're here to bring, the change that you chose to have, the shift, the role that you took upon yourself. You've only scratched the surface. And this waterfall in all of its power and its glory is reminding you of everything that you can still become. Once we remove the fear, once we remove the limitations, the pressure, and you can change the terms of your contract. You can write, learn from joy instead of learn from suffering. You can still be dedicated to growing and expanding and learning under different terms. And it's a really enlightening realization. Allowing your breath to remind you of that. The waterfall as it's aligning and centering that core of your being. And anything that's being carried in the physical that is ready to be released, just like the breath, is moving out and away. The cells are hearing you. You are vibration first. You are atoms first. Everything is moving and vibrating within you and responding to this very moment, and therefore creating on a physical level. Allowing the journey up your body to happen as you move more into the upper torso, the heart space, the lungs, the breath, the shoulder blades, the top of your back. Alignment in your spine and opening up and connecting, and all of that is coming through. And it feels really good. And again, the energy it's moving into the breath, the awareness around your heart space, opening and centering. Let that happen. Let the power of the waterfall remind you of that. And again, a reminder that you've only really reached part of the potential of your heart space, your ability to love deeply and expand from that space of joy and love and play. The impact that your heart space can bring forward to the community, to the people around you, and really stepping fully into this role that you chose to have in this life. Finding it, expanding and growing. Releasing any fears and blocks that have been preventing you from stepping fully into it. And the waterfall is reminding you of your deep power. To embrace, to connect, and to support yourself and others. You can allow the waters to cascade down your back and really release the physical space. or just use the energy around you to support you. Down your arms, it's moving into your hands and your fingers. Your healing abilities are awakening. Your ability to embrace and reach and connect. And releasing from you anything that is no longer yours to hold on to. Being an effective healer and giver also means letting go of the pieces that are not yours to have and carry. And still having trust that they will be handled, but perhaps not by your hands, and that is okay. The more you carry around in your arms and in your hands that is not for you to carry, the more you hinder your ability to reach the ones that do need you and are ready for you. So let it go. Let the waterfall wash all of that from your arms and your hands. Bless and release. Moving up into your neck, into your throat, into your expression, into who you are. Inviting more flow to your breath. As you're moving up with your intention into your head and your face, your crown, opening to your deep and amazing intuition. Letting go. And feel the waterfall's energy opening your crown fully and completely, connected to the divine and receiving all that you're ready to receive. And releasing anything that no longer serves you. As you reconnect with the breath that continues to remind you of how good you know to call in what serves and to release what has done serving. Allowing a few moments in that space before you bring your attention to that cove behind you. And noticing that there's a space within the mountain that is open for you. A larger space, perhaps filled with stalactites. The drip of the water, deeper into the womb of the mountain. This is a perfect meeting spot to call in your divine guidance, anyone you might be working with, your higher soul self, and any guides and loved ones that would like to connect with you. This is a perfect moment to open up to intuition and to knowing. You are already so open and receptive, and you released from you so much that you are a sponge right now, ready to receive that next level. And so as we fully release limits on time and space, allow guidance to come to you in all of its ways and all of its forms. And take the next few moments to receive, to connect. Notice what it is that they want to share with you. Let them talk to you about your current life and anything you might be doing. Allow your questions to bubble up and the answers to just come. I'm going to just let you have some moments to do that. taking a few more moments. Know that anything else that you're ready for will come to you when you choose to reconnect to this meeting space or any other space that is harmonious for guidance to reach you. We will count up from 1 to 5. Just support your journey back into this time and this space. And so anchoring for yourself the messages that you received, the new space you are carrying that is so much more free and balanced and connected and open. One, just taking a breath on everything that you've experienced and allowing this renewed energy to sustain within you, to support you, and to grow for you in the days that follow. Opening up to appreciation and gratitude for self, for nature, and for guidance. Two, inviting awareness back into this time and this space, to this physical body, to this moment. 3, a nice deep anchoring breath into the physical. Expanding again with that breath, feeling the lungs opening up, the diaphragm stretching and bringing forth all of this renewed energy back into this time and into this body. Holding and releasing, letting go, contracting, and allowing anything that's no longer serving to just release with your exhale. Know again that more of those harmonious moments will come to you in the days that follow, and more of that energy will be here to support you. Four, it feels as if we truly bathe you in those clear, fresh waters of the waterfall, allowing your cells to re-energize and your body to feel so balanced, your mind, your energy aligned in perfect harmony. And the messages and anything that came to you to just gently be anchored in your consciousness. 5, completely aware, awake and present. Taking with you all that you experienced, coming back fully into this moment, into the now. Balanced body, mind, and soul. Take all the time you want.
I hope that you received everything that you needed today from this meditation and that you were able to really release and let go of the pieces that no longer serves you and know that the pieces that do will come forward. And really, again, allowing your breath to anchor that process, a process that you go through every day, all day, without even thinking about it. It's been my pleasure to share it with you. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you for inviting me into your lives. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Healing with Hila. If you'd like to explore more, join our amazing community on Patreon for my Midnight Thoughts, exclusive podcast, and so much more. Thank you so much for inviting me into your life. So much love your way.